Alright, so Duke and I are on a little adventure. We've got a car show we're going to. This is kind of like the maiden voyage of really going anywhere in a Jeep. So there's... What's up, buddy? He always forgets he's got to have his ramp. Let's see here. You don't want to get your fingers in there. Good thing about Rubicon fenders. Come here, buddy. Let's get you all clipped in here. Let's make do this one hand. All right, here we go. Oh, that's different. So there's a new change. The Racing Optics shield I have on the window, it told me I didn't get the edge sealed all the way. So they did send me a replacement to put on, and we're gonna have that installed to see if it makes a difference. So far, so good. So the reason why this is a maiden voyage is, well, not quite 3 weeks ago now, I had a knee replacement, and we've not really drove the Jeep much. And of course, it was my left knee, which is my clutch knee. So we're gonna give this a little trip, see how this goes. Get Duke out. He ain't been in a Jeep in a while, so let's go look at some cars. So this is the Bob Orr Memorial. Truthfully, don't know who Bob Orr was. Maybe we'll learn that during this. It's at a little restaurant called Ethel's here in O'Fallon, Missouri. So sure to be some nice vehicles here. All right, so that's like a 5-mile drive, and well, that gets a little tough on the knee already. So we'll see how this goes. So it looks like they got some little vendor stuff here, a few cars already. It's been raining on and off, so like quite a few cars here. Old Nash Rambler, I believe it is. It's kind of unique. Dude's in good shape still, old as it is. And of course, one of those always got to show up now, the Cybertruck. That thing's butt ugly. The older I get, the more I get into these things. Old Survivor on air ride. Nice old coupe. Uh-oh, we found a buddy. So he likes to pull, so if you guys have a big dog that pulls, as long as his nose it kind of looks like a muzzle, it's a gentle lead. He can't pull with that on. Cool old rat rod. Big old Detroit diesel on it. Cantilevered airbag. All kinds of stuff here. I haven't seen an old Le Mans like this in a long time. Old Rivy, if you don't know, those the doors right there where your headlights, those flip open, and that's where your headlights are at. Oh, that's a beautiful paint job by that thing.
It was a trailer.
That's the way. Oh, there we go. So there's where it all started for me. My first vehicle was a 70 Monte Carlo. Ours was green, but it had a bench, not a bucket seat. And all the Jeep fans out there, old AMC Eagle. Kind of like the predecessor to the old XJ. These old Barracudas every now and then too. They did a really good job restoring this thing. Nice old Cuda. Technically Barracuda, not Cuda. Cuda came much later. Dad had one of those, it was blue. Another clean old Nova too. Old Firebird, you don't see many of these. Well, at least he knows which vehicle's his. If any of you guys have bigger animals, these Rams make it, sometimes makes it easier on them. Here, buddy. He hates having this thing on, but he loves to pull. See, we didn't get him as a puppy. We got him as an older dog. Always got to keep him safe, right, buddy? Getting the hard part's getting the knee in. Ah. All right, so that was the Bob Orr car show charity run. Pretty cool cars there. Kind of the main voyage for the knee as well. Need to get him some water. I need some tea, probably some Advil. Hope you enjoy stuff like this. And we'll see you here for more cool cars like this. Thanks for watching. And if you enjoyed the channel, please subscribe. Thank you.